More than 2 years ago, I was very fortunate to meet a number of progressive Pakistanis based in the US. Pakistanis who live abroad, but their hearts are sort of still tied to Pakistan and the various causes that they're engaged in. And one of the key areas that we discussed and identified as an area of support was how can we run a citizen-based, citizen-subscribed and citizen-funded public media, a bit like the NPR in America or other initiatives or examples across the world. And I was very lucky that I struck a friendship with some of them, Dr. Zafar Iqbal being the most prominent of them. He is a very well-known physician and an activist based in Arizona, US. And he kind of orchestrated this initiative and, put his faith in me in working something out and creating something as complicated and as big as an alternative news media site. Zafar also brought in Dr. Naseem Shekhani, who's the current president of APNA, which is the body of the North American doctors, a very well-known, very powerful, influential body with a lot of interesting Pakistani doctors who are doing great work, both in the US and in Pakistan. And then we were joined in by another very well-known doctor based in Florida, Dr. Humaira Qamar, who is both a sort of master of her field, but also is very well known for her activism for women's rights, for gender equality, and another friend of theirs, Dr. Shahid Rashid, also joined in this initiative. Dr. Arsalan, who's based in California, a young but outstanding psychiatrist. And then we were lucky to bring this forward and find other partners in Pakistan. And one of our major donors has been a progressive businessman from Karachi, whom I don't want to name, but he happens to be a rare species in the sense someone who's made good amounts of money, but believes in giving back to the society, to his people. And last but not the least, Dr. Mansoor Abidi, who has also joined our board in 2018. So, with the help of a few friends based in Pakistan, we set it up, all young friends, young journalists, young writers. And over the last 18 months or so, this platform has grown. And I'm very pleased that it has been helped by citizens both in Pakistan and abroad who have come forward and contributed their insights, their writings, their videos, their comments, and at the same time very senior figures in Pakistani journalism, such as Mr. Ziauddin, who happens to be one of perhaps the senior most journalists in Pakistan, Murtaza Solangi, Nadeem Farooq Paracha, Miranda Hussain, Yasir Latif Hamdani, and Dr. Ishtiaq Ahmed, and many others who kind of came forward and said, okay, we will write for NayaDaur, we will contribute to it, but more importantly, all the millions of people who have either seen our posts on Facebook or on Twitter, or who have access to our articles or our pictures or our videos. We do produce 3 or 4 videos every day, and it's a very small team, and I have to really appreciate their dedication and their passion and their commitment to the cause. And I really hope that this grows, because what we need in Pakistan and actually in the world as well, we need alternative and independent media sources. We need to tell the truth to the people, and in particular young people who are swayed by constructive or agenda-laden narratives on mainstream media where corporate interests are paramount, and actually get engaged with the real issues that face Pakistan and the South Asian region, such as climate change, water, health, human rights, etc., etc. And by doing so, have a cadre of citizen journalists trained and engaged with the society that we aim to change. So please contribute to NayaDaur. The link below will take you to the place where you can give your contributions. Please donate generously. We want this to be a totally citizen-oriented and citizen-led portal. We don't want to approach any government, either in Pakistan or foreign government, and we would prefer that Pakistanis and Pakistani diaspora are there to help it out, to make it grow and turn into something more meaningful. And I truly hope that you will help us out and support us. Thank you.